a full third of a cup, it'd be really nice. Yeah, this chicken, oh my gosh. Matter of fact, I made a small serving of it last night for dinner. And then, must have been 10 o'clock. I got back up and made another serving. Okay, so here is the pasta and mushroom sauce with chicken. Not very colorful. You know what I could put in there? Some vegetables to color it up. Let's do that. Oh, that's bell peppers. You want to see my freezer? You're going to just crack up. My freezer quit working several months back. And I unplugged it, freeze-dried what was in it, and thought, what am I going to do with this big hunk of metal now? So I thought, well, I could take it out, and then I could build shelves in this freezer spot. And then I got to thinking, I've got shelves in my freezer. Look what I did. This is all my well, not all my freeze-drying. I've got more, but yeah, look at this. This is my freezer. Let's see. See, it's pretty big. Big freezer, taller than me. And I've got, the lighting in here is really bad. Freeze-dried cheese, some oranges that I freeze-dried off my tree. I made 7-bean soup. Oh, there's the vegetables I need. Macaroni and cheese, freeze-dried onions. Oh, I've got rice up here. Lentils. Chicken, freeze-dried carrots. Beef gravy that I made. Stewed tomatoes. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. There's pork steaks in there, tri-tip in there. Somewhere, oh, there they are, cooked spare ribs. All I gotta do is rehydrate them. There's my eggs for my chickens. Freeze-dried raw eggs. There's beef steaks. Then all I have to do is rehydrate them, and I can barbecue a steak. And then over here I've got all my spices and carrots, tomato sauce, the rice that I did, cilantro in that jar right there, the green one. Yeah, that's freeze-dried cilantro. Again, these things have a really long shelf life. Vegetables. Ooh. Really long shelf life, and I use the oxygen absorbers. Try and say that. Say that 3 times real fast. All right, I forgot what I was saying, but anyway, yeah, totally forgot what I was saying. So in the pasta and mushroom with chicken sauce, pasta. Why can't I say the names of these things? With this stuff that I just did, I'm going to add maybe a 1/4 cup of vegetables. Oh, these smell so good. It smells like fresh vegetables right out of the garden. And I've had these vegetables before. They are delicious. Okay, there's that. So there's another 4 meals done and ready to go.